Hello and welcome to this tutorial on adding and approving a domain in secure exchanges. This process will enable you to secure your communications for your business domain. Follow the steps below carefully to ensure successful validation. Log into the Secure Exchanges portal. Go to the Secure Exchanges website and log into your administrator account to access the online portal. Go to the Domain Management section. Once logged in, navigate the menu to the Options tab and select Manage Your Domains. This section is dedicated to managing the domains you wish to secure. Enter your domain name in the search bar on the Manage Domains page. Once the domain has been registered, it will appear at the bottom of the page with the status awaiting approval. Next to your pending domain, you'll see a yellow check mark. Click on it to begin the verification process. To confirm ownership of your domain, Secure Exchanges asks you to create a TXT DNS record in your domain's DNS settings. Let's use GoDaddy as an example. Create a TXT record with the name SE_validation. Copy the given key value from the Secure Exchanges window and paste it onto text value. Then click on Save. Now return to your Secure Exchanges online portal and click on the Check My DNS Record button. Verification may take from a few minutes to a few hours. If you'd like to check your domain's DNS record, you can use the DNS lookup tool at mxtoolbox.com/support/tools.aspx. In the search bar, type validation.yourdomain and choose TXT lookup from the drop-down list. This tool will query the DNS server and show you the key you've just created. In addition, on the Manage Your Domains page, you can activate DECKIM. This method is used to prevent emails from being altered or falsified. Why set up DECKIM for Secure Exchanges? If you're using SPF functionality with Secure Exchanges, then DECKIM configuration is mandatory. We simply want to offer the same protection as your mail servers. By configuring DECKIM for Secure Exchanges, you ensure the security and authenticity of the emails you send. To activate DECKIM, click on the third available icon, then follow the steps shown in the pop-up window. Once DECKIM has been activated, you can set up an SPF record. Setting up an SPF record is necessary to enable Secure Exchanges to send emails using the email address of the pro-licensed user, instead of the default no-reply at secure-exchanges.com, when sending from our online portal. This configuration ensures that emails sent appear to come directly from the user, reinforcing the credibility and personalization of the communication. To do this, click on the second available icon, then follow the steps shown in the window displayed. It couldn't be simpler. Secure Exchanges makes cybersecurity easy for everyone. Check out our other videos to learn more.